Let us introduce you with a new programmable multi-testing instrument developed by TDM, which provides an efficient way of testing the no-load magnetizing current and the secondary voltages of the toroidal transformer after applying the primary voltage. Coming to the front panel, it consists of power switch. Coming to the top panel, to the left, it consists of 4x20 alphanumeric LCD. It also consists of an alphanumeric keypad with edit button, up-down button, reset button, delete button and enter button. This button here acts as back button and enter button. To the right of the top panel, we have the jig for placing the toroidal transformer under test with 9 sockets for connecting the transformer windings under test. This socket to connect the transformer primary and the rest to connect from S1 to S8 of the transformer secondary. Coming to the rear part of the programmable multi-testing instrument, it is equipped with an RS-232 connector for PC interface, fuses and AC mains cord socket. Let us connect the RS-232 cable, the power cord and turn on the power switch. We can either enter a new label or use a label previously used for the transformer under test. Let us give a new label pressing the back button. We have entered the new label TR1 using the alphanumeric keypad. The parameters that have to be entered are displayed in the screen. Let us give the primary voltage as 230 volt, magnetizing current 50 mA and tolerance of 1.5%. Press enter button. Next window requires that we feed the expected voltages on each winding of the transformer under test. Let us now enter the voltage on each winding. S1 55 volt, S2 50 volt, S3 8 volt, S4 8 volt, S5 26.5 volt, S6 26.5 volt, S7 15 volt, S8 13 volt. Press enter to continue. We enter the required frequency, which is 50 Hz, and press enter. This window here seeks confirmation to set the frequency as 50 Hz, for which we press continue with enter button. Now the instrument is setting voltage along with primary voltage to be applied and the maximum current. After setting the primary voltage, measured magnetizing current is displayed, which is 14 mA. This progress bar indicates the instrument is reading voltage in each winding, which will take a few seconds. After completion of reading, the overall status of the transformer under test is displayed, which here it is a pass. Here it is a pass, which means that the magnetization current is below the maximum limit or the secondary voltage readings match the expected voltage tolerance limit in each winding. Let us see the result in detail, for which we can use the up-down button and find out the exact result and the individual status. Let us read out the status of magnetizing current, which we can see is pass in this case, and it is within the maximum limit. To see the status of individual windings, we can use the up-down button. The tablet display here shows particular winding along with the required voltage RB and the actual voltage AV and the status of each winding if it is a pass or fail. As we can see, for the winding S1, the required voltage is 55 volt and actual voltage is 55.7 volt and the status is pass. Likewise, we can see the status of windings till S8 using down button. To exit this window, press enter button. Press enter button to communicate the data with PC. To repeat testing with same data for a new transformer, continue by pressing the enter button and the result can be viewed again within seconds. The number of data received can be seen in the status bar. Now disconnect and retrieve data. The test result is displayed in tabular form. This table shows details of transformer under test, which is label TR1, date and time of the test, the frequency given, which is 50 Hz, primary voltage 230 volt, tolerance 1.5, maximum current MCM 50 mA, observed maximum current 60 mA, and overall status pass. Table below shows the status of individual windings from S1 to S8. The details are winding, required voltage RV, lower and upper tolerances, observed voltage only and the status. We can also delete, search, print the test result.